every matter.
Usmaya on the tip your hand. Oba me nim say me ware no wa betena fi na wo ya ka itira bom na ya de pa no suba boni no bede na Ethiopia. It's too much. Obi a won na so what is too much? Adey Oba ware for anato 12 be met me from Oba ware for 11 utimi ne be ma for 30 Oba ware for o sorry I won na for 7 you hop from export to export.
No, sometimes you amaze me.
Why wouldn't I amaze you?
Me dream of it too was it.
Oh,
it's not many amount for Nico, me need na for me nebusia.
It's limitation you.
What's me cherry the menu? What me worry me say me ya wa fura na so me wa kwa bi ofia o. I have to do what I have to do.
You don't have to do what you have to do. You do what is needful. You do what is right. That's exactly what you should do.
I will talk to anyone I please. I will.
One man no mo say me ba ware. Man no mo. And your worst decision I've ever made in life. Marrying you.
What the member no mo come? What the member no mo ma son mo lie? You consider o. Na me need to say na katia. What na give the person come me?
Me na give.
To put it low. Anyone?
Me na give.
Yes.
Any giant to say nya when. Giant ya we na nya.
What to giant? Leave me alone. Let me feel free a day. Catch a day.
Ada masha also. Me masha also.
You want jam console. What's that so?
Men nya de enye. What ya de nya meka.
You are the who you are ni.
What's sorry about who me pay 10 o'clock now abonte. E ti so pass we pay 10 now abonte no. Say obi ba, obi so ni bi ba no obi sam say we yere wen. Nya no me catch there say me majimi.
Call me on phone. Me pay na PH na time me pay na be pay. Won't me catch it too. Too rubbish.
I feel mo so adu mo mre pa.
Is behaving like that. Please forgive her. Yeah. You know the reason why I'm in this house is to cook for you. So please, if it concerns food or anything, just call me and I'll prepare your meal for you.
It's not about calming down. It's about doing what is right. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted to do. I didn't know I was getting married to a beast. Somebody who wouldn't respect me. Somebody who didn't take me for a thing.
I'm very sorry. Like, you see, ladies of today, we are all from a different background. So if she's behaving like that, just calm down then.
Yeah? I understand you telling me to calm down.
Yeah.
But I wish you were in my shoes. You would understand me better. You're not a man. So you don't know what I'm going through. If it's all about food, I don't think I will have a problem. If you don't cook home, I can easily walk out there, buy something to eat. But marriage is not all about food. It's about companionship. It's about making prudent decisions for your future. So it's unfortunate you are hearing, us, or you see us fight and you think we are fighting over nothing. But understand, there's a story behind every story.
I know.
So it's okay.
Just take it easy with madam.
I would say you are too naive to understand some of these things. Let's end it here. Get inside there. Attend to your chores.
Thank you.
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much.
What is it?
Ella.
What? I'm tired. I was so tired at work. I don't need this now, please. Let me sleep. Let me relax, please. I'm tired. I'm very, very tired.
Ella, what is this?
I read too much with John. I don't so much. Babe, stop. Auntie, stop. Let me sleep.
Oh, Ella, what is this?
Eddie, stop it!
Ella, what is this?
Me can't say my brain, but never could my wake up here now. Sitting now was on my desk. What is that?
So, Ella, why are you starving me? Come on.
Again in the fridge. Go fridge where you know Nakodi. If you touch me again, if you touch me, I'm coming here more.
Ella,
Please what? Please what? Hey.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. I don't know what you want to do. You can go to the bathhouse, Pensogu, Busogu, team, nada. Opada.
Is it all about Sogu?
Intimidate. What's that? Then I. Me proud.
Ella.
Me proud.
Yeah,
Me no one now say na some me no now. I'm not many so ho. Chama me kwa djuma o.
I no be kwa djuma na djuma nti woni me na. Mo boss kwa na. De djuma na ne ga na ne.
Na opesa o tra. Me se me nya.
Agobi sa chai.
Chai also ye no. Oh, I just dey no. Me se me nya.
Jimmy wakukusu wakwako jami sukoliniyo papa doctor tremie odosioni mikobira ejubeya na minuo every matter afafanto
Boss, please, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You look very disturbed. But your baby have a cold here.
It shall be well.
Amen. I know it's because of Madam you are behaving like this. Because I don't understand. It seems every day you've been fighting with her. Please, is everything okay?
Do you think it's my fault?
That's...
To fight her every day?
I can't tell.
Do you think I would like to fight her every day?
I don't think so.
Why would I marry somebody that I love so much? Somebody that I cherish so much, only to bring her home and be fighting her every now and then? Do you think any man in his right senses will do that?
No.
Good. Then understand there's a lot to it than what you know. Sit down. I know you are a kid, like I brought you to this house as a kid, okay? But considering your age now, you'll not be seen or you'll not be considered as a kid anymore. And I think it's about time I open up to you. Because I know aside you working with me, I'm just like your older brother. So it wouldn't be bad for you to know something about me, since you've shown much concern about what I'm feeling. You were here before your madam came, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. You were here, we prepared the marriage arrangement, everything together, isn't it? And you bear witness to how much I love her, won't you? Could you believe your madam doesn't respect me? She feels I'm just like a rag. She picks calls every time that she so desires. Midnight calls. And not from her female friends, guys, including her ex-boyfriend.
Jesus.
And she's expecting me to keep quiet. I shouldn't talk about it. At times, I wake up in the night, come and sleep in this couch, simply because she'll be disturbing me with phone calls in my own room. She goes out without telling me wherever she's going. She does what she feels is okay for her. But as to what I'm going through, she doesn't care. Me fighting her is not because I want to fight her. I'm fighting her simply because I want her to come to the right path. I want her to do what is right. And the worst of all, as I told you, is something I wouldn't let it go out, and I wouldn't want it to go out. She even doesn't allow herself for me to sleep with her. She doesn't have sex with me.
Hey. Boss, then this is very serious. So this is not how I'm seeing it. Like, this is more than what I was even thinking of.
God, I've swallowed that for a very long time. So
Madam has been doing all these things to you?
It's been more than 7 months now. I'm a man, for God's sake. I don't want to cheat on her.
I know.
So why should she, why? Is that what I deserve?
Oh. Now boss, why don't you try talking to her? At least call her, tell her maybe this and this and that she's doing that you don't like. I'm sure she's going to change.
Does she look like somebody who would like to listen to me?
Boss, there is no harm in trying. You can try.
I've tried severally, but she wouldn't listen. I don't know what to do anymore.
Just take it easy. Calm down. See.
Me dear, me say mata, send me na go up on tie. Me see me nyota pa, send me kofa fa fantoy. Oh si, insurance so. Wadani me abwananka, but you trick extra to me suwe. Odi pobi to me things out of me kwa send me do and mono come here. Me find a body, send me do here fu. Me di me rushing, last way me grab wash me say hey I'm I want friendship rest around you. Ava fantasy. I want further than you. Ava fantasy.
Ella. Ella. Ella, can we talk? Please, I would like to have a word with you.
Oh, yes.
The phone aside and let's talk.
Excuse you.
You heard me right. For God's sake, we can't be fighting like this every time, every now and then. Why can't you calm down for us to talk things over? Huh? Anyway, I would like to apologize for what happened between us. Please, it wouldn't happen again. You actually, some of the words you use hurt me. Is the reason for me, acting that way. But unfortunately, I've thought about it and I've noticed it's not right because I have to calm down. Let me put it that way. So please forgive me, okay? And the bone of contention of our fight, everything that is happening in this house is about your chat. Could you please stop it so that at least we'll be in this house like lovebirds as we used to be? I love you that much. I love you so much. And I wouldn't like to do anything to hurt you. So imagine if I were the one chatting my ex and you find out. Would you be happy? Ella, I don't want any person to hear what is happening between us. Sweetheart.
Babes.
6 months since I'm room pa. Person me been cry now. What to tell me? Why? I would like to make love to you. Passionately like we used to.
Oh, babes. Why are you talking like that? I'm your wife.
Oh, yes.
Anytime you wanna sleep with me or make love to me, you can go ahead and do it.
Wow. That's great.
Hey, relax. Go check it. So I can't hear you.
Come on. Really saying, yeah. TV, right?
Yeah. As I said, anytime you wanna do it or have your way in me, I'm available.
That's great. That's what I want.
But babes, I also need 100 million.
100 million? As in 100 million, 10,000
Ghana cedis. I shock you.
Anaji.
Of course.
Where am I getting 10,000 from?
I'm saying I didn't free.
You're here with it. Where am I getting 10,000 from? Are you not here with me?
What took you?
Oh, why are you doing this?
What took you? Maybe I'm not young. What is kind of mommy? I told me someone I'm off.
So, as my wife, must you take money from me before you make love to me?
I'm not taking money from you. I'm just asking. So they open you request TV, and I'm sorry request TV. It's very simple. And I mean, that is so strange. Be the idea. Ever. How the idea befa?
Anna, you worry. Okay, someone saw for no catcher all day. Was if I won't come in?
We didn't come.
Nothing the way the other one coming. No, we not. But
who's supposed to catch us? Say, Bema said they be a more weird.
And that's something else. Me.
Let me see me here. Into your mammy, because I'm not going to find their mammy.
And I do, wish them and I do for 10,000.
Mammy and I'm so happy. Very simple way. Then your boy, you will quite do.
No, meaning you, child.
Oh, yeah. 10,000. 10,000, you enter.
What do you mean, 10,000?
And I try. Come on. Yeah, let me try. The way peace. When you miss me, listen.
Listen. When you say, I was saying that no people have the mama. You know, I love you so much.
So let me sleep. Okay, miss me. Off the lights. Hey! Look at what I am at time crowd. Let's say what this country is. I'm going to force it. Men say what a day you man. I want friendship around you. Where are you?
Oh, free matter. Me dear, me say matter. Send a me nine go up on tea. Me see me not up. Send a ma kofa fantoy. Oh, see. Oh, see, insurance.
Okay, babes. Hi, what's up? Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, what has him say you? Boom.
Oh, no.
What has him say you know when if you how? No way any rain. Them are my friend no. This call is a guy. It's a man's call. Why should you sit before me and call another man baby?
You just sit down. That's not supposed. I need to be on my friend is serious.
Right, that's every. And your man also have her. Seriously, your man on the bar and the name could you. Hey, I should tell me to do it. Oh, actually, this time give me a second. Okay. It's him. My selection, I'm a dear. I forward don't know who they make pen wife. Because I want to work with 2 nice ones.
Ah,
yes. Suppose in my it's being a maybe found. No one is chemistry's winner. One say, oh, yes, no, I say, who before and I'll be what's in how today.
I'm seeing your oil or anything.
And she baby.
And for so dear, no,
and walk me. It's a how.
And to me, tell me, them who could him. Emma Bema from our audience baby. And to me, I'm a sir, Nakadian number. And to me, I'm a Sakabende. But no, no, dear me.
Sometimes when you think positive, you think negative as well.
Minimum, as no men in the dark, and a minimum your way.
Just calm down. What do you mean, drink like a cancer?
What if I told man drink there? It's not about drink now.
N&P collection here. Oh, okay. So I expect it soon, okay? And it is so. Oh no, it is so. Titinia man is so. Okay, girl. Okay. I'm still living on your own. I'll force you to play nonsense. Make a baby in Tino. Any 70 be my neck, I said. I'm more come at theatre. Unya abotena umbusami sebia wana mele kasa u conclude ya mame when I menye shall see so the abotre be sure of you say force you to play nonsense I'm more din say hunsa mo akomate mo be yo ya sa I me da na manda titi na obre.
Ladies of today, they can do anything at any given time.
But not
maybe she just wants to see how you're going to react.
Whether
my husband loves me or not. Even me, I can do it all.
Have you gotten married?
No, I'm not gotten married, but boss, you see, sometimes you intentionally pick your phone, and then you intentionally do like you're talking to your boyfriend. You see, just to see if maybe your friend likes you or something.
That's for you. That adventure is for you, the young ones. Not for a married woman.
But boss, take it easy with your wife. As for your wife, I'm sure she really loves you.
She loves you?
She loves you.
A woman who loves you.
Beautiful.
Let me tell you something. A woman who loves her husband will not be behaving the way she's behaving. She wouldn't behave the way this lady is behaving.
Yes, I don't think she's talking to any other.
She's talking to a man. The one at the other side of the phone is a man. I know Ella. I know her very well.
Oh, so let me be going before she come and hurt me here. So
you are just a fresh fish that has jumped into the steam.
Patience.
So you don't know what I'm talking about.
Well, not you. Everything will be fine, boss. Should I take this into
every matter? Every matter. Me dear, me say matter. Send a me night go up on tea. Me see me not up. Send a mako fa fantoy. Oh, si. Oh, si insurance so. Wadani me abwananka. But you trick extra to me suwe. Oh, the pobi to me seems out of me kwa. Send a nido and mono come here. Me find a boarding.
Men ka se ne wo kan nim ba na me se nan ka wo so tie me de so wakasa my din wakasa at least also te ne me ka kire no e bia na ne me ka no so beto waso bon se bi onyansa wo ate oledi ti enya me pene se ya ware akudu samri mi nyawo also who say bibia no e hihye oh ena ade no enya me nko ana me no oba no mienu ena e ba wo saba na ma nti bibia ne se onya abotre ena se bibi sa ba ban so aye me no oba no hihye ena se ma wunnim ne de ye ni mate definitely some casa me wo ma men casa me wo ye be wo ma se ne osi ye pene animu ya ne ma wo de temase na ma de krumo for beka na de yase mo nka ne o meka na say o mo kentin ma wo the pressure isi me so ye wo a abofra o mo na e be hwa abofra na mama na say se mofra na e be enkwala na e be wo a o mo na be hwa me mama me mi ana me hwa o mo enti ye time enim say e be boy ma sa time na e de be ma wo de ya wo kana mate se ne te bia no se ba banana na ape e ba ma banana ma de o mo kana de is it me and do be tell me living my life oh de ma e be ya bibi ni how de na te ntwato ha ni na you messing this kind of man and I be fia na ya kana ba kana to da phone so come me chiremu a won temase ba ye bia me ba na me shawa me ka ro na me che okay me ya ente me ya messend dia no sebe so me ya messend dia no bye. Ella, my mommy, you know.
Oh, okay.
Already.
So now how are you?
I don't know you. I wear some man and still want to make come. I will make catch I won't for a dream. I won't pressure on us.
Mentiase.
So you worry at you, but now the many cannot or home quite so casa because you are worried over 2 years. At least in Kenya, Baba could cry now. What's in you?
Until Nim say, it's me Adriana said, say Obadi warrior as a war. Which I know.
Okay.
I know, Pa.
Anyway.
Me ready. I'm just not ready to carry that thing in front of me. Gosh. My body. I have sweet and sexy, beautiful body. Who was say me say my body? Sweetheart, I have like 3 years, which I'm thinking, say 3 years in the crowd, they drew say mewa. Do you understand? Why should I rush into that thing? Ew, I can't imagine myself in that thing. Oh, please.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you think about whatever you are saying?
Why?
Because it's just like I can't make the head or tail of whatever you are telling me.
I don't care. That's my mind.
And then look at yourself. Yes, you are beautiful. I understand. I'm not disputing that fact. But the fact that you are beautiful doesn't mean you shouldn't give birth.
I didn't say I want to. I said remember my whole time.
Time until when?
I'm just 25 years.
Okay.
I have a long way to go.
Who told you you have a long way to go?
Please.
So, you want to give me pension babies?
I don't care.
Ella, you just...
I will not.
No. The thing is, you have to give birth now. At least you'll be able to take care of your children. So, you don't have to grow old whilst taking care of toddlers.
I don't care. And besides, me no cry mama habenyo. And none of cry me no wonder. Mama habenyo.
Ella.
One men na. Must be my family plan about you. How do you know?
Why this?
That makes me happy. I am so happy, can't you see?
So you are happy at my expense, right? Like the fact you become happy when I'm not okay.
You bet me call orphanage or adopt everything. I'm not so person. Akwala nam fia nam hama. Na the need diagram. Daddy, mommy, daddy, massa. I mean, this the one. Not carrying that thing. That thing.
Ella,
Let me time cry.
you call Eba that thing.
Of course, I'm not ready to be called mother. Like I made a time, mommy, now they did muscle. Please, let me watch my movie, okay? Go SOS and I say orphanage. Na copy my.
How did my orphanage number worry? Me who said to me adopt a color number worry?
Wait
Until when?
I don't care. When I am ready.
Why are you treating me like this?
I think so you don't want to enjoy my movie.
No, Ella, is this a crime to love you?
Me find a boarding, sena ni doye fu. Me di me rush anymore. That's way me bravo shame say. Say I am myself. I want friendship rest.
Yes, Abena. Yes,
What messages?
What do you need from phone? So I have a good news for you.
Okay.
You know, the other time I wanted to make love to you and you were saying I have to give you some money, you want to do whatever it is. Do it, don't specify that I think I've been able to raise some money for you. Because I need you badly. I really want to make love to you.
Oh, I love you. I love you so much. What's this?
This is 1,000 cities.
But someone got 1,000 cities.
Yeah, we'll say 10,000.
10,000.
But when you me raise it 10,000 within the short time. Days get away. Look at that 10,000 way. And besides, when you say your project to any my project name, you know, your Dutch. Because first can win. And I'm Nancy now, Sika quarter to rates. Oka, minimum fuel. We hear be a catcher, I made the mouth. It's the way they say be a old pace can be a crab in a day, be now say, any mamma for 1,000 now. Not 10,000 dear. Huh?
It's a Utian installment.
Installment anyway.
That's a Jew way I saw you.
Debbie, near we dear and toss it. We Nipapamua, your mamma, your money moi, or bar me Matiska warrior. I saw a free bush, or how limited. Nakamano bedam on sky manide. Yan, sir.
Do worry me say, obey you soon.
Obey you soon.
Yes, Cadia woman.
We yes can I catch my mamma. Oka, we use fuel near sign, and you mean fuel. We yes can I say on his car to Torix, I catch Mamma Oscar. Okay, your nose, I thought that my nails that meat is come out. Come on, do some
wait, relax. Fair man, so I'll keep this for you.
No, this is 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000, I know. That's what you said.
Yeah.
I'll keep it for you until at the upper. Then I give in.
Must I pay 10,000 before I make love to my wife? This is legitimate. It's legit. I
Go from the police station. Arrest me. I'm so scared. So there, what the come on? Like your baby, I'm a man. Say me, good then chikura me.
Ella, you don't have to do this.
I'm doing it.
Why are you doing this?
It's not. Doesn't add up. So leave me alone.
What doesn't add up? You're my wife.
So what?
And I have rights over you. I have every right to make love to you. Come on.
Make love to me. Come on, boy. You say I'm more jelly now. I think I'm baby. No, for sakame. We are Bema for sakame.
See ya, what say your buyer say marital rape in the account. BBC, you
try it. You want to rape me? No, come on me.
None of we
come on me. Come and chew baby, I'm out.
Debbie, no we anything.
Try me.
So we
so me.
Me about no we.
Who be raping me? What see?
You taking money from your husband And to you.
What do you say? Be very well. I am in Jama or 70 and Mammy says, "Come, that's kitty way."
You call 10,000 skaki.
You want to come? You want to release? You want to do that? Ha! I can't say. That's what you see about him.
Then give me my money.
Hey, don't try. Kaka try.
Some person is saying, I can't have 17
Hey,
Femiska mami.
Rebecca, cross to me. What a cross to me. Me, you are what you say we are. Cross to me.
Ella, we see and have them in Saki come.
I can say about come. Because I'm a bobby. About come.
It's Mr. Song for
My father. It's a Casaka 9.
So 9,000. What do you
Miss Sakola be my one is coming by that time, and I come down my timing him. No one Thomas. No,
Nepopoma,
what power release? Ha!
Nepopoma, when ya and say, I saw you be going.
This year, Bonting. I'm more than 1% to Facoche. I made a maid, I made Bobo Bang. Me Dutch. Me cover you with this year.
Would you see the Amama?
No, me could work as a.
And me, give it to me. You just. It's mine, it's not mine.
Cry, but I order. To me, cruddy, manach pa. What was also another? Sure, about that. I mean, we so be that.
You go there first, can me. Maybe I can also.
Yeah, that's more. I kind of say, watch na Mumbra office in Temo na. Young files, money. Near my name, Chloe. I ain't that may fail at this time.
Bema, friend, on that's one. That's one.
Are you okay?
Look at the time. Look at the time.
I tell him your business. At
this time. At this hour. We your business.
That's one. Oh, what is this, sir? Hey, you don't need me in this room, okay? Now they say
Wadani mabwananka wachichwike shwa tumisue Odipobi tumisimtodo minkuansena nido emono komie Mifana boarding sena nido ye fufufuwe Midi mireshe nimu nasuwe mi brabwa shemise Say kaya ya mwase I want friendship looking
How can I look good? What is going to make me happy? If the one who is supposed to make me happy is the one tormenting my life.
Hey, boss, please, can I sit down?
Sit down.
Boss, I want to tell you something. Concerning madam, if you feel you've been talking to her and she's not listening to you, why don't you try at least seeing a family member or something? Then you probably tell them what is going on. Maybe they would call her and then talk to her. Probably she's going to listen and then things will be okay. That is, since you are not seeing any improvement, and I'm sure she's going to change. Please. Thank you.
Well, it's a nice suggestion. Very good suggestion. But I'd wanted to do that. But the reason for me not doing that is I'm not a small boy. I'm matured. And I don't want my marital issues to go out.
Okay, boss, please, 1 minute. You see, I have to check the jollof first.
Okay. That's good.
Boss, please, you can continue. Thank you. Anyway.
Yeah, as I was saying, I don't want my marital issues to go out. I want to keep everything private. I don't want any form of disrespect whatsoever. You know, the moment your marital issues go out to the court of public opinion, then you get our so-called social media judges trying to read meanings to whatever is happening. Something they don't have idea about. You see, but all the same, it's not bad. I'll give her some time to see if she will change.
Sure.
But in case she does not change, I only have any option than to take the matter to maybe the family.
Boss, it hasn't gotten to that side. You shouldn't be thinking bad for her, please, I beg you.
No, I don't mean taking her back to her family, but maybe I'll go and tell the family this, how she's treating me home. If they can talk to her for her to change, fine, so very. It isn't that I want her to go, but you know, if I don't love her, I wouldn't marry her.
But I'm sure she will change. She will change. Immediately you tell any of her family members, she's going to change. Trust me on that. Yes, because Madam, she's a very nice lady. She looks so beautiful. So I'm sure she will change.
And she was innocent then until she got to this house.
Oh. Damn.
Memories.
To walk here and we can all find one would be in Crampo Bumi.
Oh, I saw my family and I said, TS Street in the Swan.
About worry for TS Street.
Yeah, and besides, one of my friends having her pre-birthday party and I have to attend.
And you think it's wise?
Of course.
For you to go without telling your husband where you're going?
Oh, please, babes. Nyakwala. You should know, say I have to.
Nyakwala, I don't need reason to also bomb man and say, well, some is in me, co baby say. A bus will hear me, baby say.
Some do dementia, and I said, eh? Maybe I don't know why, so I have to go for her pre-birthday party.
Into the weekend. Or by worry for. We bet no feel no one know at least. No can make dibino. Or prefer say who sees you no will be party as.
Sometimes I am not mean to was it.
Who better what to say?
I out to me at the baby say you. I said what you know, like it doesn't click well.
It
doesn't click. No made in so far so this of Fiazi. Eh? We go can see when you casanye. Made now for the see Fia na you see na can. Didn't say so or Tinefia. What if you say on the creative Yama and I said
Enti made with ya.
of course.
What's nasi? Said oh and Nadia may you makunum and the weekend my men no be and then you enjoyment son no be and cry na yet. What do you lose?
A lot. I have to go out, have fun with my friends, take pictures, post them on my Instagram and TikTok and stuff.
Ella, be careful. The life is not all about fun. The life is not all about fun. If you want to have fun, Shenipa won't have fun. And you'll be biakwa and then have fun.
What's stopping me, Ella? Which you know you can't.
Ella.
You know you can't stop.
Hey.
I'm already dressed up.
What do you think you're going?
I'm leaving, man. I'm already gone.
Ella!
I'm gone, man.
Ah! And what's my chair for me so called? What chair for me so called?
Calm down. Yeah, the PNA now would say. Boss.
Into near woye a year. We are bad, near woye a year.
Boss, as man, Madame Making, and you're no credit true, do.
Huh?
Boss, no fear.
Hey! What do you know about no credit? Hey, what do you know about Nukre?
The Oka say I'm here to cook. Okay. I'm here to make. He's boss. I couldn't do what coming. It's so Adaruma. Maybe be now back a sound. And say, Madame dear. Somewhere in SMP.
What is you?
Adriana, anything I'm with you. I'm a man. Why? It's so. Why should I know why you do? You know, they are tits for kicking. And for I drink cold.
Gynel, I thought that Bema a warrior bar. And you be bien too. So Barno be yard dear women in your chickeke. Hence, dear never say any weekend. Me tiffy. Nami years oh, as some as he made Jiwahome, Gynel Jiwahome. Na me I mean, ready, I never was any in Naya to say did it. Near never fascination. Bema me waro makuma ebe to me moons and penyapa like near makuma pelo, mensaka.
Was the Canadian or say Banissa, but in this case now I'm Manissa. To them is so now, but just calm down. Be okay. Madam, what a car, no, I should know what you're doing. Maybe we'll have some.
And to Obashada, I say will be back. I tell me, somebody been my young.
Yes, for our junk. Once I was from Mammy. Without you, me you'll be a so we be too to see a tragedy. Well, Rachel, calm down. Why? Are you okay?
You're okay. You're okay.
Rachel, now today we'll be a very fine like us.
Oh, si, insurance, so what I want to what you trick extra to miss away. Or the poor to me seems all I'm in consent, and it and mono come here. Me find a boarding, send a need for way. Me di me rush anymore. That's the way me bravo me say I can't myself. I want friendship rest around you.
Ella! Sorry, okay? Sorry. No. I should rather be.
You were coming to my room. I didn't know.
Oh no.
I'm very sorry.
I should tell you I'm very sorry for invading your privacy. At the normal circumstance, I should have knocked the door. But I was thinking none of you is home. Is the reason for me opening the door just like that. I'm very sorry. I'm really sorry. It wouldn't happen again, okay? Please forgive me. Oh, come on, stand up. Come on.
Thank you.
I'm very sorry. Where is Ella?
Boss, she's gone out, yes. I think any moment from now she'll be coming here.
When did she leave the house?
Since morning.
Since morning. And she has not come home. Anyway, you once again, I'm very sorry. But is the food ready?
It was very soon to be ready.
Okay,
just
no problem.
Give me some few minutes.
I'll be waiting.
That's your name in Kobiora, Edro
Okay. I'm watching this program. If I need anything. No, take it. Yeah, very okay. It's okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, every matter. Me dear, me say matter. Send a me nine go up on tea. Me see me not up. Send a ma kofa fantoy. Oh, si. Oh, si, insurance so. Wadani me abwananka, but you trick to me suwe. Or the pobi to me seems out of me consent and it and more don't call me.
Boss.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm going out.
Okay.
Actually, I'll not be working today, but I'll be having some meeting.
Okay.
I will keep long. In about 3 hours time, I should be back home.
Okay, boss. I hear you. So, have a nice day.
Oh, thank you. And then,
You're welcome.
inform your madam because she left when I was asleep.
Okay,
So,
okay. I'll tell her when she
comes
back. Yes, please. So, have
I
a
hope
blessed
everything
day.
is okay.
So, boss, should I see you off?
Oh, no, you work.
Thank you very much.
Me find a boarding, send ni doye fu. Me di me rush anymore. That's the way me brab wash me say I am I want French rest run yo. I've a fun I didn't want father of you. I've a fun Jimmy Wakukusu, Wakako Jami Sukonio. Oh, Papa Doctor Tremie. That's your name, Kobe.
Wow, this is absolutely foul, girl. What? Becky, I said we're not catching them enough. And this is so long, who know the desert. What is so best, how baby? Before they saw the whole coming, it's all the whole coming. At least once in a year, be no man half. We can your full half. What is it 20 years? No man a year for you. Girlfriend, or no the double brace. I was like for back throw. Obeka che se wo ho atwam enye da biem. On say bia no dia na me wa na fo je kodi foforo. That's all he will do to you. One ne da shenika. Sabo belt. What do you hear? And you be time papa wo be bo abrewantem. Wo be bo abrewantem na oyonko bosuko no makwara ketua bi na beji ukuna boso. He can't try this with me. Say it da hopa na ode ne sabe fa me ho. I say person be sorry na onim babeda. Asutru ka me de be mano no. Can ehwene kro be pa de be cha moja wo mo be hospital. Sister mo wani ye de na your ba wo ye adwuma wo. Je wo adwuma. Hey, be manu ye ne den de be ya no be ye. So do that to him. Janisa. Radinya me. Gefa mo wani ye di o. Mo wani ye de nya sa. Obawe banche. What de me bo be bre me. Onu be dida sa no eja hoko. Onu da nne, o chaba sa kofa ba foforo. Enti nene nda. E fa ma no, de bia ne nkotokwa. Okay. Whatever. You know what? I'll get back to you. But think about what I told you. Bye.
She should think about what you told her. Ella, I didn't know you need Bonessa.
Are you talking to me?
I didn't know why not here.
No, did I call you in my conversation? Did I? My friend.
And who hears about from Nipa Bonia away and America to say Jai. Jai.
It's all how to say.
Me hands or bar, one bear Martin. I said the way in any down bonnie. Any down bonnie.
That's not making me what. I didn't say so. I learned one and done.
Never would you want too much. I'm not telling you as in any day.
What do you mean? If you had me tell like bill. Me tell
Oh.
like bill. Me tell water bill.
Okay.
Me just put stuff.
Okay.
So what do you mean say me tomorrow? Did I yo? Me ma come do.
Auntie, oh my come on me. Is it all about food? Is it all about
So
food?
it's about what?
Ella, I married you for God's sake. Matiska, and I'm there young one. About it to smile what did I just had a hotel on now for? If it's born in a hotel on now for no. You understand?
Me buano.
Oh, why?
Me bo madam for no. I say someone did my best in their life.
Hey, my man can't send back. Near way if you don't expect us, I know be a bear Nukunaman after nothing. And it's a wood when you're for don't expect to be the young of them. What are you doing now for an hour? What's it?
I couldn't come to use for your announcement also. Meeting I can
We're not too much. We're not too much.
Do you fear so? Excuse me.
We're not burning too much. You're telling me as me and your side.
I saw me say
Oh, Debbie.
Yeah, what's up for fight or young couple?
It is us, man. Hey, Ella. So I'm for free. Hey, my man can't send back. So I'm with you. So when you knock off samba.
It's my cross. It's my cross.
Then you carry it alone.
I'll carry it.
You carry it alone.
It's my cross. I'll carry it alone. Leave me. Leave me. Let me be.
Oh, you're too wicked.
What
What kind of life is that?
Come and do, madam. If you are coming do.
What name is that?
No one.
What name is that?
No one. Not.
And you will now phone you. Be unfair side.
On to be unto. Pablo on to. You are going to kill into poor. Excuse you.
Gynel.
Boss, hey. Boss, sorry.
I'm
Sorry. Boss, I was watching telly.
You were watching TV and then you slept like this.
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
At least you have a room. Why not sleep in your room?
Yeah.
Do you know what? You shouldn't be doing some of these things. Look at how you slept. So imagine if I came in with, a guest. It's not right. Besides, should your madam come in to see you sleeping like this, you living in this house with her husband, do you think she'll be happy? Oh.
Boss, please, I'm very sorry. It won't happen again.
It's okay, but don't do that again.
I won't do that again. I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry, but forgive me. It won't happen again. I'm sorry.
Come on, it's okay. You know what? It's okay.
Okay, thank you, boss.
I brought some items, it's in the car. So bring it in, okay?
Okay, boss.
I'm getting inside.
Okay, I'll go and bring it right now.
Alright.
So, was I sleeping? Oh God, I'm dead though. Yeah, I hope it won't bring a problem.
Gynel. How there's some young and fan. I found a kitty at the tenor. Neither when you. What? Yeah, me feeling my clarity is strange. No. It's strange. Like, I didn't meet me certain can Marcola. No, sir. I start trying so when we go as it. Raining a fault. Nakele ma jano hona me patne fi ase oba ware fo nanka me hia bisa nanka menene ya. I don't think so nanka me hu Gynel ho kra na I'll be feeling that way. So we don't Kenya. Maybe we bet the person will succeed. Maybe I could try and make me go as maybe. And then I'm going to see where they are to. No, I don't have to. No. See me in the go see the Debbie. I don't think they're good. It's not a good idea. Ella.
Yes.
Patch off a phone to where I'm going to come. But some minute didn't come on. Pacho,
With my reason to my own Mammy warrior.
Sese. Say me do. Me do. Say me mama who come my warrior.
So don't move.
Then me. You did so, me did so.
And one. Because I said it also again. Let's ask me here. We need some.
What am I lacking? Because I know say you'll be behind me, mom.
And then my opinion now here. So I will. I wouldn't say any opinion now.
I'm lost.
And then my pen so any idea a broso. The idea a kind of daily life. And so what?
I'm lost.
You'll be lost. Lala. Oba mawaru amenote. Ade obeya makoma enyo sonko anu kwa na ye. Ena ane woni onafo for ma organize party, mo ko party. Ade echi a me no wona woni member da ade se otua meka 10,000. Ade chinye ena say nsempi ade na yasa.
If you say do be abeya na ni baje mo ye.
Enti eniji a wo wani je our life no say wo don ho beka mo.
Cause me share me read me body ni yi. Me pese me read any better chima.
Said the fact say me no wada na nche say already beto chima.
I know what you're heading to. Which I'm not ready.
I need a child. It's about time we get a child in this house.
Boo boo, darling, honey, my love, babes. The last time I catch you say, Mommy 3 years, which they say a crown. My dream will say a year 20, and I'm near ready to make a cent 5 years. Because no one person me achieve and me and me pray me home say a best say me never be free. 25 years
in life.
Relax for me. We are the opposite. We be a bit me. Mother drop a semi more be a bit me. Oh, we feel twins. Say, what I'm more friends. The Mrs. Tesman. So, do you understand?
So, because I want to say when you be the site example, what's the stress ma? Into one and council will be out to fear any shackle and knuckle no me any junk in you.
Be also about weird, dear. No one more. Relax, okay? No one more. Somebody, if you have a dream, don't be dear for son, if for that day, not a more school. And you're not okay. Relax, okay? No one more.
May can't hear you now. Men can't hear me.
Okay, where am I? 5 years. Maybe 2 years ago.
5 years.
So, I love you. I love you so much. Understanding. I love you so much.
Until now, I told you, I brought one salmon. But they be not keep I'm
sorry. Where?
Yeah.
Kotoko fanda. Review the dates. Relax, okay.
Until I yes,
no.
So when you say,
no, I love you.
Emma, so
I love you. I love you. I'll sleep.
You should be sleeping.
Nah.
Because phone are there here.
No, I have to attend to these messages.
There she goes again.
Oh, okay. I have to be there. Okay.
didn't know.
Madam, it's not what you are thinking. Sorry.
Yeah.
How could you?
Why wouldn't I?
No, what's your reason?
She's augmenting your work. Hey! What do you think what? What are you doing to her?
Gynel, you.
Hey! Hey!
Wadani mabwananka wachitrike shwa tumisue Odipobi tumisimtodo minkwa sena nido emono komie Mifana boarding sena nido ye fufufuwe Midi mireshe ni mu nasuwe mi brabwa shemise Say kaya ya mwase awa fenchire surani yo Ava fante Adina wafa dadamio Ava fante Adina wafa jijimi Oh Ava fantoe Wajijimi wakukusu Wakwa kojami sukoniniyo Papa Doctor Tremie Odasioni mi kobiora Ejubeya na minumo Every matter Afa fanto Afa fante Oina wafada mi
Let's ask my make catcher one. I didn't see one day whom my senior minimum grassy. Dim if free dame buy ya me beto say again Gynel naked or modern mono. Massa Marjorie Moon me hon told me down. Debbie. That day no na Ella Nifi. To me buy me be ye did Timu Ella and Gynel will be on so. There's I'm sending my man rather more when she say beer because once if you know be anyone upon that hot you should find out. Mistake I mean some more premium. Me be ya again. Sana what very we are what one most too much. Every that day no. Me won't tell me that. Me da me so da be ana me na again da. Da ya me so bi ana me na again da. Ada me free dwuma buy the way what there kunyam. Na me nko an ka me na me nsaka no. Me de me say kan so me ko bono say. Say me ne kwada out say. Any imagine say na ka bibi sa akoso na. Again say and also they were akola ma fa no kola bre matete mana kudu sane bibi sa ba ntemo I was nu ase me de nka misusu se nka me pa kwan bi so ama na frifia a good idea, what a good idea because some of them go as a party and the best thing I say, maybe be a man or na with a free fear. Some may mean in the ways as me, Pamono. Me tenacity, Nama Casatu in terms of life, no, or say, also compound brown. That's what you mean you made the beer. Exactly. Yeah. Until me the manner and the baby overcome na no small say mo to me because they me from no too much. Too much. My friend e bia nkwane nim no. Na makoya ade ani won say me na mani ma je ani ngwase. And I don't think say right. Yeah. This also say a good idea. I think say that's how we should do it.
maybe and to be a maybe into me, I'm from the shame. Maybe you better discuss some details so quite a fast way be a good free. And they say, I don't want to. Maybe everything. No. I hope so. You this see that was a shit.
Oh, boss, but you're there. My low one,
Okay. Gynel.
Boss.
I'm very sorry, sir. I remember catching though I know say any palatal, but Sanaba, no say Abena.
But you, I don't know. I think I will be here for one.
I never born Bia. And how about you? What I saw him born, I'm born Bia. But na kapese ono edua ni na se wo di wi o 7 wi a na pese me ma wo e free fia.
Yes, my own body be crowded. My pouch not me free I say.
Gynel, when you remember Bia, the entire make I said in America one day if I'm born in China say ABC Sarah. Because set my father check. My father knows I can take. My own arts and fear I could do sound penny things. Gynel, when you remember Bia, and I can saw your bar. Who or bow do age beer at least or so near bear may be on any bed Bobra. But so Tifia and the beer made a human eye fraud Gynel no would be up on charges say be all could you have a fee. And the time Bain open your one as a Bema Ben in the John one. Will be a boot a will refuse over and the beer may have a Fagina quarry. Also, drink and also near me, you all that into the dream. May and send me I am in the seminar all of a sudden. Macase free fear. What me then say? And you know, at least I'll say also Bobra who are life ahead of you. Until I'm an now be why? Until we are all born your man. Then you will find a place.
Because you can't do this to me. You know, ever since I was a child, you've been the one supporting me and helping me.
Yeah, I know.
So right now, if you're asking me to go, where would I go?
I'm not asking
the one
you.
Who was taking care of me and giving me water to sell is no more. Boss, please, I beg you.
No, Gynel, don't get me wrong. Don't get everything twisted. I'm not telling you to go just like that. At least I'll give you something.
Boss, please, I'm still begging. Please, don't let me go. I can't go.
No, Gynel, please.
Please, I beg you.
Gynel, don't get me wrong. But I'll give you money. I'll give you enough money to rent an.
I don't want money. That's not what I want. I don't want to go.
Gynel, I'll give you money, enough money. You rent a room, and then you use the rest to take care of yourself. I'll give you enough money. Take it easy. You go and check the food.
And that's how I'm a pen about. Also, no, I saw Barbara.
I don't even know what I've done to you.
One year, my
Wadani mabwana wachitrike shwa tumisue odipobi tumisimtodo minkwasena nido emono komie mifana boarding sena nido ye fufufue midi mireshe nimu nasuwe mi brabwa shemise say kaya ya mwase I want fenchire surani oh ava fante Adina wafa dadamio Ava fante Adina wafa jijimi Oh Ava fantoe Wajijimi wakukusu Wakwako jami sukoniniyo Papa doctor tremie That's your name call
I don't want there.
Onye but I feel say it's about time say a man also akobona bra. Na so when you meet forever. I say when you need the father knows there was something I could do level be I say on also akobona bra. Ebi odidi mo be share be ma bi so be ma so ni je no ho abaware.
To what pamono?
And I say what if you are wasting time baby?
But at least SNK only means to sue people. Upon just like that.
Me baby man. Or not if you have and rat on.
That's why. Because when I came on one pack, I had the drink Bebrem on inside. I just left. Oh, okay, it's okay. To what pamono?
You don't do things say why say akolano so akọ bra. Obeka made true out of her life.
To what pamono?
One thing you made the beer. And she said it be now say
okay.
Or also no copy baby.
To what pamono? What pamo girl na fifi ha say. Oh. That's it. Nti apa so kwa na so what swan so ko tade na so what pamono.
Me samo ko. She's no longer living here. O pa hwe ne dan mu bra. So bu hu ne name of them wa. Oko.
Okay. To what pamono? What pamono? Okay.
Now wo oba ware for wo oba ya ware wo. Ejuma esa wo yes oba ware for mpese obey.
No, wait. Like seriously. Gynel is not in this house.
She's not here.
She's not in this house. Gone.
She's gone.
Obesa ba na say like oko holidays we na say.
No, walk about the bra.
Okay. Alright. I'm inside, okay? If you need anything, I just call me, alright? Love you. I said love you.
About Matis Kawaro. Gynel wa hanti, ni asa wo ye won pese obeye. So se se be come no mienu. E bia nso so won fa drinking bro. So me ma ku hwe drink abro wa be hwe. So masora no aduane ma wadi a ye be hwe. Afi no betina fi asa oba warefo. Won sanka won anka. We nyina achi. Enso wani ni ope na aye.
Wajijimi wakukusu wakwako jami sukoniniyo Papa doctor tremie Adasi oni mikobiora ejubeya na minimo Every matter Every matter Afa fanto Afa fante
What did you say?
What's it? call on my basan and can see on Mananka or the breakfast and so. But Madame for done some band to a bar and yet for some banner.
And so, oh, about me in day.
Send you for some banner and my basan.
And it's not upon me. What's all your maid of you? I say,
Somehow I will carry a made in only life of Belly Diana. Obey made forever. When you made forever, at least so now I several cacao so no cobon bra.
I shall well, I'm not going to say, remember your dwarf you have. What's the mean, son coming like? And it's going to be deep to say my one. Ah, sucker.
On Sanka, Nanka, we all bow our you. Oba wa ware so e wa sede se wo bonu aduane ma okune de e wa sede se obesiesi bibia wote e wa sede se oba wo so e wa sede se obedware nkwala e wa sede se oba rendi
you know what
dey so no
asa me ha me se me da na se me am nti me nia e anu se me da na me sorry ya me pesa ba me ti aye me ya me ka show ti no ti o made na ko fa ne brefi ha o ko pa le chow ko pe ahemfo ni bi na mo fa ndi wachi na mo ko ba bi obi na mo ko pa ne chofa ne brefi ya.
That's if you are what no. Didn't know what you are.
My worry with you confused.
What worry out to any you was said yes will be our worry.
Me no. Catch himself where I may Juma come in.
Wait when they be no but no me in Edin so ye Juma.
When I come run in you, and Yanni is any need you.
A Daniel but no me in Edin, in your Juma.
Me TV now. That's all I'm going to do. It's not about share. A gentle years of money is spicy.
No, you should be you.
Nana mi sanya ni bi.
No, you should be you.
E ko si dey.
What you want the crowd do? Oba be ni.
Ona ko ye duane no zima mi na mi nana mi sanya na mi ti cry be ya. Ah. Se mi ko ye duane. Me nya business bi ya. Me nya business bi ya.
Nya wo ye ni yo. Ela.
Masa so ko ye duane.
Sai ne wo ye no.
Wadani mabwananka wachichwike shwa tumisue Odipobi tumisimtodo minkwa sena nido emono komie Mifana boarding sena nido ye fufufuwe Midi mireshe nimu nasuwe mi brabwa shemise Seye kaya ya mwase awa fenchire surani yo Ava fante Adila wafa dadabio Ava fante Adila wafa chichimi Oh Ava fantoe Wachijimi wakukusu Wakwako jami sukoliniyo Papa doctor tremie Odasioni mi kobiora Ejubeya na minuo Every matter Every matter Afa fante Oina wafada mi
evening. Good evening. Now, Mr. Won't say dying that baby. Me pedaya high.
O pedai.
Ka we tina bo.
Ha de dai mi ho.
Ko fie na wa say me.
Oh. I'm not for you. Also much trouble not for sale kra. And I won't for hama high almost someone tongue. And I de bi ni ha.
Aha so me ko ye me so bi ani ho. Efie we so. Me chini sa ma ble.
And I de bi ni ha but
and the obo me ba me do. Me baby father.
Me no what now but what is my number? And I saw the number.
Oh, there be me am pe baby ahan. Dem sika betwia. I just say matna ho. This say baby am me dan ho nye.
Entina me.
Akwa say uncompleted building.
And I made sure. Aha, a dining. Eti me ya wo moa, say bet na me nchen. Di me number na frame na me na brefie me nchiro me fie.
Yes, see adie. Me phone ni me ho. Enti me.
Yeah, bo number na go stand say.
Pacho. Enti me number ni.
Today. Me from.
Pacho o be frame. Enti o ka ko sise wo fie ho no menya dan
ha. E wadan bebre wo ho.
Ayo.
Onya han yo.
Ana so we dey me ba chena kra. Ma ba.
Enyume kwa pa bese yanko. Why? Today.
Enyume so dey nke ko yanka you.
Yeah, me ko baby. Me ko baby.
Yo.
Why? Into the me from na say.
But I have frame na me number na me so me frame. Why?
Matime
from chan mama me direction about fie.
Matime from no aba. Why?
Yo. I mean sure o. Eh, wo mo fio.
Why? Don't see it. Why?
Yo mate. Bye bye.
Wajijimi wakukusu Wakwa jami sukonini Papa doctor tremie Odasioni mikobiora Ejubeya na minu Every matter Afa fante
Me right. What's one more that I'm going to do?
Na me ati abeti anya me twa wo so obaso akọ kitchen akọ ede na me bi edu.
Wo twa me say me cook na me ya oyere. Me no me no ha na be ma ofia.
Ahonim sa. O pa dwene bi. E na apam ge na man ko. Na ba sa o pam na ha ba sa emia na mo adi.
Na say me pam ge na man ko. Ge na me ware wa na wo na me ware. Me ware ge na wo.
Don't care. Ko kitchen akọ ede na me di. Make sure so when spicy. I don't want spicy food.
Are you serious at all? Ella!
What?
Listen to me, I'm talking to you and you're watching TV.
F my parents.
Ella, I'm going to do and say in the breast now. We
say kitchen, I call you and I'm so TV.
Me cook kitchen. What better how all these one into Koya and then I know. And the TV no yes I
Stop it! What's that?
Make a sound, you to make a sound.
Mommy, show me move this. Oh, I don't want to miss this part. Oh, so touching. Kiss him. Oh.
And the as a type of person meeting Afia. I just want to find out from you. No, sad of person meeting Afia.
So kitchen one kasa me abin you. Ka be what see me dey my need.
Nti me kitchen na me konwa. E ma ho dia wo bedi.
E be de papa.
E woni mu asemu.
I should make this step in my mention move.
Me e ma me disturb o.
Yeah. O kasa to be better.
Sensu chia obi mu. But na no asema o kan yi. Ntina metutu a e ho na ho.
Afia na waba. Ha de dan ni de bi wa ha se dem ka kire wona but Mini minuano mienu bi na wa ha senti gise me frɛ wo nam de to manim. Oh, say me catch you said I dey be wa ha nti. Me no better but say me catch you minuano.
O dey me ni problem. Mate.
From Bell. Belinda.
Abena.
Oh wait. Wo just wo akire.
Ade aja.
From Afia kan wo bra why?
Okay. Afia.
Me no who be bia want me.
Madam, I'm saying I may have
Afia.
Yeah.
Belinda. Madam for me nyane ni. A friend Gynel. You see only a bit na ha. Said ye night he will be kind of number will be come. Or be kind of
no worry. I'll be seeing Madam for you. Now, you know, I mean, who Madam for the other.
I feel no waba. Eh, ni night him true. I feel
no free from no.
Now, no, me, she no anymore. Street no so per time. I'm trying to say, 9 years. You do a hand say. Ti ombra me kan ye ho ha no say. Ti na wo say wa ba edie. Me de na kire mo minti mi mane mba preko pesa. Aye nuanu ma ye wa ha edie. Na Belinda wo ye.
Sister, na da me nyere ye. Enti bi hu ho mi fa mi dan ko ban na na. Who can say me enti eti.
Matewa ye.
Sister, baby I free bed. Say we see you. Say me baby potty or free ball.
Baby so na wo tutu me
but say you baby so na wo tutu my sa.
Sisters, we dem sram.
Say you say you me.
Me ni pa boni ni sam am true.
Enti mo ho ni pe ya wo gina ho ya. Ya tro wo de go ni mo.
Kasa asem no. Say de jayo.
Nya mo tene na tie me. Enne ye di tuo ko so Bible nkokro no bo. Ma me ka se bi
Wo so many a o.
Me fa wo wani na nipa o gina ha do gina okura Bible ana wa
Sister, you know, see, they make a true. Me say, me no better now. Why? Me no better now.
Me dance, me de ngami nshira.
Amen. And look at them now. On your way.
O de me ko fa ba.
Other way true. In nature, better than go from red.
wo no waje ne fe osu.
Abena na wi ase no ko fa ye de ntimi nkwa no fa.
Eh, na mo ade.
Na wi ase ye hu o sister.
Woni bo bi o ba bia hia na bonten. O se o pedan. Wa so na pampan so na be sifia. Mimi ni na chi nkofa na nema. Na ne nkofa.
Mi ya me nkọ a.
Eh, wa ba so.
Ma ba so papa mi ni me nkọ.
Ella, my friend, and your body. We need you more. Our Who's you? Hello.
Oh, you are so needy, yes. Who can say Meti? Meti won't change, Meti won't change. Me no junction so.
What did I hear? Our the procedure. Sorting him, kind. The Passover, you good. Don't be a family. Asama make a wood team there.
Now today.
I didn't make a sentence with your manum.
I'll have us on our coming. See, say,
Menu me and Timma were and I'm say enough is enough. I'm say good.
You don't mean it.
I really mean it.
You do.
Yes, I do.
You want me to be a laughing stock among my colleagues? Are you serious?
Why am I not serious?
Maybe what you end 3 years in Pony, meaning yawa there. Now, now for messing, send me call and see me, send me tea. Me call every because you back.
Now, to say how what's an hour and over anything.
Who didn't come with you? Who did so?
So, me dear, so this and only hour.
Yes.
Me dear, so this only hour. What is your environment? Whatever. Shasini had no say, it is a man sorry, me bear mana, me matis cabo, man sorry, no man prefer Hanuma, I have a baller. Was all worry. Me come cry is enough. Was all worry. It ran a drum or bar, be see a member worry or menoti. Medum Hobe Kanwa was a train, me say a name, was all worry. It's our worry anyway. Our worry and so if you me feed you. And so if you are mutual bills, and only our worry. Madam, a year. Say our ren wabba. And the woman said, men send fata, some yoku, oh, need your counsel. And the would treat me anyhow. No so many imagine some person who say, it is so, but no channel. I want some maca, no so many rain, with our reno. In Chasso,
then shut up and suffer. Just
why should I shut up and suffer?
I don't care. What can you do?
Ella.
Me now. Me.
Listen.
Jawa.
There be.
Hey.
Eh? The other time won't be one categorically. Say a man, my papa were outside and you could give them the opportunity. And it would jar one over worrying. The Bema were outside and wouldn't say, well, you're better. Excellent, our person worrying. Me no Jaya, Ubena. Time nina no was spending. I was Abena.
Oh, I know what you. What worry me? It's my house. Hold your breath. Hope I could street and say, Mammy, what's been your mother? But me party, me Jow, fee having free.
Some may imagine some may worry, no matter how streets to name map the dark of the dark.
It's so house.
And two, if you are what is a war or bad, or some fast what they say.
It's so dear something.
Miss Rowe, lead you got men party tea. Would they know I am now? A year, the would I am now. It's okay.
No, do monk no have a foul one. In your name, now watch.
Oh, condition.
How you got?
Gynel
Sister, I'm sure. Some buy to me, Jimmy, too. So near Procope.
and you're born in your shame.
And you'll be a bit near, sir. With us,
Oh, now, a hen and now, wow, oh, bye. I'll not move it.
Baby, I know me one dear. Now, me a doctor, be fear.
Hey, Dr. Pa.
Oh, I need Bonini, sir.
Okay.
Oh, whom you are quite, let me tombs you. Not just say, or farm, eh? Let me costume now. See,
you want so much.
Let me made you feel.
Okay. I want you. No,
That's me nearby. All of a sudden, I say, you sorry that cry me, walk kitchen can and I may idea. And no friends won't to me meet me.
Hey,
Sister, come and do something now. The pan chop as my bonny boom poor. Go to one year then, on country me. I'm in panic chop. Oh, sir, when female. Send you be no was some economical bomb a bra. May your bar be a meaning you drew dear. Say no more, and I just say, you did best share one, make us some a pet I know. Musica, and my mistake a prayer be saying, come and found bra.
I'm good evening.
hey, Afia.
Yes,
Well, I feel no about.
I try you.
I was saying,
I quay upon.
hey, Gynel. Eh, more than how I said there was this day. More day. Web it over, hey. More day,
Oh, person, I'm not doing you.
you're not who dear. Why? Gigi. Still makes me after how.
Oh, my patron, me okay.
How I bade you, now be a year, Jumama and Sakona said, ye in a year, Jumesana. Miss Melbourne on side, and I call my bomb when you do my and Sakona.
Sure, so the bomb.
Oh, shit, my board, and now, but now, but not this or back on my camera. Said you ought to wait. Otono ultimate the face.
Say you pay Juma cry, cry.
It's not messy, Mamma would you mean?
Oh, Medas.
Me near Juma come in.
Order, Medas.
Oh, and nasty, Mamma would you? Oi, Mamma Joe. On Sabbath, yeah, do the to be a bit and do so you be a bit.
Oh, free matter. Me dear, me say matter.
Na also e me adom na akọ kama ekwa abonten akọ na nti ho kakra once matene fi ache entinu be se me nanti kakra bi
na ho na ni mo ha ho na nti abonten
kama ejina ni ho nanka na ba I say
na man kwa true why how should I say something
oh na me sure me
yeah sure we say okay
sister but oma when kafo mi kama bi so asem kakra
oh okay
na last my sister Abena no okay juma ben sana ya mo ye Afia mo ye nesa na
nurse ada ya Abena wan ka juma ya anjo
ba cho de di
no dia smasi wan ka juma ye banka na boy so no de tire bon ko mu ko juma da ana wa dress ya no pa bi afa bi e hu kapo Hook
something.
Hook up near Yawa.
But you hook up no dear way.
I hook up a bill baby for you. Yeah, I didn't pay the ICO ye, and I'll buy another dad, they move free no chill like Donanga. Yeah, I have a pen, no just a day. You better survive.
Remember the woman
way. That be almost so a pampa so cotton. Way. Now you can't hook up, I hook up and a bit fixing Moliana. The idea ni pedria. I'll buy will be free. I will enjoy a brabo. Body mujan and over swim. Why? Have you my end on my tete? One will be crying. I said, I will be queen now. Yeah, mom, war around the money, me, the money, send 1 year. Where's you anywhere? Do my man's a quarter on the ferry?
Sister, the one see come up, say, dear, it won't.
That's all for come. Shall form a crime, a crime, if you cry me, be him now. No, they were with Gynel, and yes, I saw that veranda so. Because I had no mercy for the cripple. Why? It will be a beam. 2 days later, when you make me a short sword over cock. What about Quajuma? Hey, I want to end the better daddy. Shall Papa has said that for
hook up. It's a man, come, say. Oh, move hook up.
Ella, my friend, and your body. We need you more. Our worry. Put him. Hello.
Oh, hey, I saw it yes. Who can say Meti? Meti won't change. Me no junction or so.
What did I hear? Our worry. Pepper say Jai. Sorting him, kind. Let us have a good one. No, be our family. As someone make a wood team there.
Now, today.
I didn't make us a new switch in a manu.
I'll have us now come. See me say,
Menu me Timma warrior, and I'm to say enough is enough. I'm say good.
You don't mean it.
I really mean it.
You do.
Yes, I do.
You want me to be a laughing stock among my colleagues? Are you serious?
Why am I not serious?
Maybe worry and 3 years in Polo, meaning yawa there. Now for messing, send me call and see me. Send me to me. Call any because you back.
Now, to say how what's an hour and over anything.
We didn't come in home. We did so.
So, me dear, so this, I know now.
Yes.
Me dear, so this on our end. What is your environment? What is your Shasini Hanusia? It's a man sorry, me bear mana, me matis cabo, man sorry, no man prefer Hanuma, I have a baller. Was all worry. Me come cry is enough. Was all worry. It ran a drum or bar, the Sia Mema Warrior Menoti. Medum Hube Kanwa was a train, me yes, a name was all worry. It's our worry anyway. Our worry and so if you and me feed you, and so if you and my mutual bills, and only our worry. Madam, a year. Say our reno waba. And the woman said, men send fata, some yokun, oh, need your counsel. And the would treat me anyhow. But so many imagine some person who say, it's a misro, but no channel. I want some maca, now so many way, with our reno. In Chasso,
then shut up and suffer. Just
why should I shut up and suffer?
I don't care. What can you do?
Ella.
Me now. Me Jawa.
There be. The other time won't be one categorically. Say a man, my papa were outside and we could give them the opportunity. And we jaw when over him. The Bema were outside and wouldn't say, well, you're better. As a man, our person over him. Me no Jaya, Ubena. Time no was spending. I was Abena.
Oh, I know what you. What worry? It's my house. Hold your breath. Opa ko street so ma be what be your mother. But me pa de me jawo fi ha me free.
Some me nya imagine some me worry no matter ko street so ne ma do akodeda.
It is so house.
And you if you are what say wo oba no so fa so ne say.
You see do something.
Miss Rowe. Need you got men party tea. Would they know why me na ye? A year, Kakran, the what I am na. It's okay.
Me no what's na. I'm a dumon wu. Have a foul one. In your women, ya watch.
Oh, condition.
Wadani mabwananka wachitrike shwa to misue odi pobi to me seems all I'm in sena nido emono komie mi fana boarding sena nido ye fu mi reshe
Oh, you know.
Daddy, oh, me no.
Me buy nyama ngudem ho uni be bia wafa.
Daddy, ekra me ba me wura de okra me ho ne bibia wa me ka sa ben de wa sa wadwane no.
Why de?
Wadwane no.
Say na je ni say wadwane.
Ebia u kana ya na.
Who cap no.
Ebia ne krampe. Nti na wadwane.
Wadwane keke. Nti wa bet na hanu se je be so chem so bet na fia mato aduane ama no. Matua light we share water bill. Wa sense adwane. O wadwane ko.
Akono no.
Wadwane.
Away bus.
Me away bus.
O de ahwim.
E be he okrum ha.
O de abo.
Onu wadwane so wo use me fi.
So ye ni papa. Ba ya ka kire o. Enye nipa nyina na eji no. O de ba ya ka kire o mfie. O de ayo.
Da bi o.
Sa wadwane.
Se me hu no me ka me na ni se ke be didi ne ho na wo ahwe body e ba ha se na ke ma body no ko.
Be didi no ho. E na o de ahwe o no wadwane.
Emo
ndo wa nya didi no.
Wo dwane.
O ko da.
Se kumasi ya wo dwane.
Ka na tu ko da.
He,
wa de ahwe o.
Me so o da se mani o.
O de awo we ni papa e tie moko.
O da mati me ba mi radem.
Bye bye.
Wo so
so kakra so tele bia na mdi mo wasi kakra
wende she yo be ba me ho waya de bia me ni anya ho na me ni mu kre wo mo bro peda ma je wo mo atsa me fie ma hyew wadwane o wo adwuma kakra me do be ye nti wo adwane asa ne ya de
da bi de na se sa de wo yesa wa nya
wo hu ade no
ade we ni komo na asa wuni me de da
e bi o ge na nkasa me hwe ne body ni ade na me ma ne kwose be ha adwen
okay
oni madwuma no ba sa wate ho asem ene se wo atam ne ba ge koyo ne izo
ankra kura no nso wati mafi
me o se line na me koya do chi ya me ba eze ma ne ba ge so
ge ya mi shia na ha ya na
mama fa ne picture ncho he se Ono
ono ase ne tomu du kakra.
Oh.
Me share no junction so. Na me kon say dan.
I say omwa no ho style bi. Odina so kaka.
Uncompleted building na wo ya kira.
Oh no.
Ma full ma hu am hu so tako raw.
Enye wa no better because oni ba bia ko uni. Ma me odwuma bi na ma mo ate. Hwe ta me na me nka se ne nko.
Oh David na se me hwe na mu.
Ate ye said the wure pu no me nka se.
The more that they say me.
Ye said the enwure.
Oh.
Minimum me se enwure me.
Adwuma de ma me asa o say suru akiri.
Eti me nkwa na.
Oh the man. Say the man who edisa beba.
E beska man ka me ka.
I say me wura mu ya.
Wura oh. Said what say no tata no. Discussion ho. Baby ofri na oban discussion ho. Scan do betimi afa. Betimi scan do afa wa wo dia. Wa wo dia fa na je say.
No ofre me lad ya me wura. Ko. Ni na isi wa.
Obaje me so do obaje me say na wan ka sa. O asem na me ka no wa so di media ko.
Adwuma wo de metima ni ni tamo. Say be ya obetima ya de. Asa 10 to de mami 4000. 4. 4000.
My number na me try to see.
Okay.
Obo number
0246. What's that mean? I don't need you. What's that one? Say, I don't want to say. Well, lucky pa, eh? Well, lucky, eh? Yes, can I connect? Me more, me what's happening? Will you be? And tell my dear too. What it? Yes, I was somewhere around. Come. Come, check it out. Come. Let's go. Hey, I'm a feeling. Hey, come in, man. Come in, one musabe. Ah, I want to feel my little margin on.
I'm saying, I'm going to TikTok. May say, hey, boy, so I may have no macro, mean too fairy. Will be I and a girl born you, no boy in the house. I don't see a surprise. Sir, yeah. Ah, me I'm sorry, would be a little curious. I'm entering me child. Wow. But no more something one can say. May say, would you be a more called the baby? Ah, would you be papa? Me and Cassim, no. You may Cassim, no. Then come pray. But you want to see a yacha. You want a yacha. You go this. Eh, Boduma Menka. I hear you, my china. I have back on the night. Saying a guy, you're fine. Or some may need to miss a visca crowd. I say, my I did I can be no beer and a dear, not to say. Edgeman is a better to branch in her. Because you'll be a crown and I make me cry, you do fear.
See, your branch, now the beer about
Shana say, Unya na
and
be
then
man
they
be
must to cry. They
And
say, "I walk at the
I did a beer, or the other papa never.
obi anya ne dan. Ma se nya clients na, obi abetimi de ne dia be fie. Afini ko jeja kwa me abebo yedede. I say ahodwo na about ma abamkura bu. Na wa
Trust. When you can on a monsieur.
I would the other papa no the other.
I don't need any creme, my saving kakra nti.
It's not saving kakra. Check me out.
Nti onwumre be talk na say bia ni e be kona e na ewie ma.
And over go.
Eh mekọ. Ti fie je de yi.
No, you can say they we see you will lay a
Control. Adwuma no mu say dey say me dey sister. Me aso kwa di tie ba bia o. Me control me chiamo.
Evening.
Come in chromo.
No me say.
Then na nwa so dwa ho we. Kasa na
But me buy any body.
I boni kura ye krom.
ko besi. Ko ya maba.
What do you mean, Casa?
Maba.
Where they?
So ya ba.
Oba ni se ba. Oba ni se ba.
I don't think me no babet na.
Hey, ufu se na ejimi fo na egufi a ho.
Then the bonnet kwan so. Because ya na asma me tse ye no.
What's it there?
What you say you could be an
Ejuma na mo ye no.
Usuru duma na ye de. Usu. Won se akwa me mu bia ma ye charity e de abetu Facebook da. De bia ye kwa ye ba. Ade ntina wo usuru.
Sister de wo sika no na ehu. Ma ho sikura gu.
Okay, I want to take a home. Or the guy to us.
Me tell me o. Usa me na me chire. Me se me di. Man kan boni so. Se adwuma ye de hem.
no.
Usu betimi ade hem. Biso wa o didi kwa. O ba go de koma dada.
Because I did ya when say shape ya no ya bana ya udi. Na wo mama na wo de free o ka say ya bro.
See, Bana waba no ban say. O ban say see no. O do work like do what you baby. What you to so be ya na say. O say be so ya hwe bi.
Even obey ko want na fi o behind the no na adwuma.
Nyanya bo say.
Edi mbo bia.
I was saying on ka say we why na anye.
So we dey move fan chime. Na bana mabana. Me ba se me na mo ba betina.
Say say wo be ye ana say o sa de be di agro.
Ejuma ne de.
Aha.
De ma be de ma ne mre kakra.
Emre. Me ma wo mre na de ma wo work like so na akwa wa bra wan kra me. Me sa ma mre.
Na me no ko what na ye na wa ma no sa amre no. He na wo
Mre bia
what
ni.
na. Wonim so atembidie na odi ye no. Hwe atwifa eso kwa wan kra nyina ya atembidie. On tena fie ha. Ene ye bo scan na ha dan na ntinem. So na ne ba ha.
Oh sister, eya nya abotre wa. Ese we ni so worship am.
Sister ade a wo ye ye
Yes,
fe.
ready bi ni.
Ade a wo ye ye fe. Wo kwa na bi ko to we.
Kakra ye. O ko ya ye pie ya hwim. Afa bag na wo ja.
Wa fa wo
na ye. So what I say. Into the head of the casa.
Na yo who said that so won kasadi.
That's not me catch on. I know na buso I ha me. So me free mo nkyere me ko ya akoyi ba be chimi a. Me say nya me nyam ya na me sum ne pa.
Na ere
me nya do a.
Why on your na ye nya ye so mbonsam. Tie de nti am do be gina ha ma me.
My idea. Me say I shame ho so pa mama akoyi. Kama wu.
Why then?
Me so de me nye bi da. So say ma ware.
Hwe.
En ware ya. So me won ka obi a.
Unya kasa no.
Eh.
Unya kasa no. Ah. Didn't I'm do begin a tea. I don't say they say as all Casafamachi. Menya bogabi. Nya bogabi. Dina honey tea.
somebody wouldn't get the opportunity to rape you, let alone for you to lose all the monies I give you. Anyway, it's unfortunate. I'm sorry for what happened to you. In actual sense, you didn't do anything wrong when you were living with me. You did not do anything wrong. But
you just sucked me everywhere.
yeah, it wasn't intentional, and I told you earlier when
No. Let's sit. Sit down. Sit down. Wow.
Come down. This is your house.
Okay, madam.
How about the climate there?
Wow.
Babe.
Yeah?
So, I'm going to come them way.
She brought me a good news. So, please excuse us, huh? Sit down.
I'll do what? Hello?
He said,
You keep her.
What is she going to keep? What are I keeping? Babe. No, are you okay? Is everything okay?
madam.
What? No Pisca. I'm lost. What is it? Hello?
Oh, she can tell you whatever it is. Whatever it is, she can tell you.
Gynel.
Gynel is pregnant.
Gynel.
Yes.
Pregnant.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Who told you just like that? Is it easy to get pregnant?
Now, you're so pretty. I'm not moving. So life, sir. Hey? Oh. Gynel. This is okay. Go up on him.
Yeah.
And when I'm in him.
Myself.
What do you mean yourself?
My poor Kim. I did not think I even didn't know whether I be Oba or I be Bema. Now I understand.
Are you pregnant for my husband?
Yes, please, madam.
Gynel!
Don't try it.
How?
Don't try that nonsense.
When?
Sit down. Don't try it.
Gynel! How could you?
Sit down.
Gynel! Babe, what are you?
Honey, I want to know why you're enemy.
Baby, you know I love you. I was just pulling your legs. I wanted to see, say, if you truly love me. All this I was doing, I was not doing anything bad. Many Bema be and Kasadi Wakwana, my cousins, my sisters. Like, many Bema be a crana. I love you.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, babe.
Listen,
Please.
I understand. You know, I equally love you. But now there's nothing we can do about this. She is giving birth and nothing is going to be.
Care about that thing.
Do you think I'm mad?
Baby, I'm ready
No,
to have a baby.
I'm coming. Listen to me. Keep quiet. Do I look like a dummy?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Even at the point that my mother was crying for a grandchild, you sat here and told me nonsense. You were raining series of insults on me.
Yeah, sorry. Please, forgive me. I was just testing your love. Please, I was just testing your love. Please don't do this to me.
Then testing my love went wrong.
Gynel, please don't do this to me. I bought this thing. Please.
What are you calling thing? You're calling my baby, my unborn baby, a hen.
Baby, please.
No, you are calling my unborn baby a hen. Do you know? Yes. I now understand I'm a man. Hey, Gynel. God bless you, okay?
Baby, please.
Huh?
Hey.
It's about time you embrace Gynel and my baby boy or baby girl. When are you going for a scan for us to know the gender? So, wipe your tears. You don't need this.
Is she coming to stay with us in this house?
Yeah, she's going to live in that room. That's a room. And she's not living here as a maid anymore. She's living here with equal rights